Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a product from Galactic Fireworks. This is an absolute monster. Weighs an absolute ton. So anyway, this one is called Boneshaker. It has 166 shots. I've not yet fired this product. It has a burn time of 102 seconds. And its NEC explosive is 2,625 grams. I do love the name Boneshaker, so maybe it's a bone shaker. So anyway, if you have fired this, guys, I would love to know your thoughts of what it does, how it sounds. So anyway, this has a duration of 1 minute 42 seconds. It's category F3. So I believe there's 3 cakes in this box. So we should just have a look. Oh, there. Yeah, 3 massive, absolute massive cakes on a board. Again, we have the reverse fuse and the first fuse. We have the fan effect, indicating to face towards the audience, as I call it, lay it down as a sausage, long ways. We got some effects on the box there. So a flower crown, one of my favourites. So yeah, not fired it, can't wait, very excited. And I'm grateful to have this one in the stash. I believe there's the NEC breakdown per cake. So yeah, it's got a lot of powder in them. Looking forward to this beauty. I'm going to say it weighs an absolute ton. So anyway guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe. And I'll see you all again in the next one. Cheers guys.